Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I have been asked to review by a couple of you the Galaxy Z Fold 2 case from Samsung. Now, this is the carbon fiber one, the really beautiful one. In my opinion, the best case. But I felt a little weird just reviewing a case for a whole video, so I'm actually going to give you some recommendations besides this case, some other ones you should take a look at. Now, first and foremost, the whole issue with the cases is you cannot get a case for about 2 to 3 weeks right now on average. They are back ordered. Samsung obviously did not think they would sell this many, and now everyone wants a case and a lot of people can't find it. The reason this didn't happen last time was because Samsung gave you a case and this one is selling a lot better. So because of that, I wanted to go over the best cases to get for this phone, starting off with the one I actually have and was lucky enough to get from mobilefun.com. This is the Kevlar standing case from Samsung. So let's go over it. So first off, this is real Kevlar style feel and touch. It feels as absolutely amazing. It just adds such a good grip to it. I felt it was slippery. I immediately put this on and this is the kind of grip you want on your phone. The biggest downside I would say is it offers nothing for the front screen protection. The front screen is not protected at all. This only goes onto the back plate of the phone. So just know that if you want one with more protection, take a look at some of the ones we're going to talk about in a second, but that is one that big things that stood out to me. One of the really nice things I like though is how much protection you get for that rear camera, because I am definitely afraid of that rear camera cracking, and that is what I love about this case is it actually sticks out a lot for it. But of course the biggest highlight of this case has to be that you can actually watch your videos and just put it down like this. Bam, simply easy. And it is a perfect angle. Like when you are watching something, it is just a perfect angle to watch a video on. And I actually had a conference call on this with this way. Now the camera is right down here and I stood up like this and it was pretty much perfect. Like I had to put it further away so it wouldn't have the look up nose effect, but at a distance, it was perfect. Like I was able to talk to it, everyone could hear me. It was absolutely perfect in that conference call. So you can watch something very easily with this and you have that. And if you have watched our other videos, you can of course use the pen that I recommend to really just set this up and navigate with that pen. So very good all the way around with this stand-up feature. And I really, really do like it. You can actually even watch a video with it closed because it only is on the bottom. So even if you want to watch a video on the smaller screen to conserve battery, you can do that as well. Now, the one thing you can't really do though is lay it like this. And the reason why I say that, it does stand up in portrait mode rather, but it really doesn't feel good. Like this has way too much tension and looks like it's going to snap because of how heavy the device is. Samsung didn't do a secondary stand, which they have done on other phones, to be able to do the stand in portrait, but just know this does pop off. So a lot of people are afraid if it's snapping. It does pop off on purpose and then you can put it back fairly easily. So that's just one thing I let people know that you don't have to worry about it as much, but that Kevlar feel I just absolutely love, and that's why I would recommend this as the #1 case overall. But what about some other cases? So let's go over some of them besides just the standing case. So the first one I'm going to go over is an alternative to the standing case, and that is the VRS quickstand case. Now this one is a more durable looking case. It really has that durability to it. Not only that, but it has a front screen protection as well as a bumper. So because of that, it really is a good one. Note, this is one of the faster deliveries, although not too fast. It is going to be available as quick as the 22nd of October. Keep in mind, most of these are getting in November. So this one is a little bit quicker and it has a kickstand and it's a little bit more durable. So if you are afraid of dropping it, this is the one you might want to go for. Spigen has two really outstanding offers. If you do love Spigen, this is the best clear case I have found for it. This is a Spigen hybrid Design, and this one is $39, so fairly inexpensive, and it will be coming as soon as November 5th. Again, yes, this is how back ordered these all are. Then if you still want Spigen, but you want a bit more durable one, this one's going for $49, and this is the Spigen Tough Armor Design. Now this one is kind of interesting because it has this like hinge part of it that I find fascinating. Like I want to see how this works. And it's more for durability. Spigen, again, is a reputable brand. A lot of people do buy this. So I would say it should take under suggestion, and it is $49 for this one, again, November 5th. Now, this is the one that I am also actually waiting for. Now, this is from mobilefun.com, and it is a UAG Civilian Series case. Tough case, again, has that part in the middle, but UAG is definitely great at giving you great protection while still being thin. So this is one that I love the design of. I love that it has a front screen protection. It is wireless charge compatible, and this is the other case that I want to get as to switch off between. So this one is $53.99, a little bit more on the expensive side compared to some of the others, but this one is due in stock in 1 month. And then we have the Olixar leather cases. Now Samsung has their own leather cases, but they are quite expensive, from $70 to $80. So this one is an Olixar case. It's only 2 weeks out for delivery, so a little bit quicker. You're gonna get it mid-October. And this one is coming in with a $32.49 price point. It is still genuine leather. You have both front screen and back screen protection, and the leather is more leather style, if that makes any difference. It's not like a flat leather. It actually has texture to it, and I kind of like that look a little bit better. Your mileage may vary, but that is what I like. Now, I do want to point out before ending too that Mobile Fun actually has a case that I have available due within 2 to 3 weeks, so just know that as well. Overall, I have been very happy with this standing case. It is really, really good. I am very lucky to get it. A shout out to Mobile Fun for, again, sending this to me. And it's one thing that I have just really been grateful for, because I know it's very hard to get right now. And this, in my opinion, I got lucked out because it is the best case I can find right now for the Fold 2. Out of all the ones I could have chose, I ordered one of these, and Mobile Fun got it faster. So really a shout out to them. All right, guys, let me know which case you are going to buy for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Did I not pick the one you picked? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.